Type Cs may, as a result of being shy, have certain health risks. For example, they have weakened immune systems, so they're more at risk for getting viral infections. Type C personalities are very accommodating, they're passive, they avoid conflict, and they're people pleasing. So this type might be one to bottle up their emotions. They generally will be shy, they won't tell you how they feel. They might be more bookish in the sense that they tend to stay at home and want to curl up with a good book. They also are very analytical and may be good with numbers. And type Cs may, as a result of being shy, have certain health risks. For example, they have weakened immune systems, so they're more at risk for getting viral infections. And we also see that type C bottle things up a lot, and as a result be more prone to addictive behaviors, because that's a way for them to sort of escape and decrease some of the anxiety from being all wound up. Type Cs may be more at risk for developing certain kind of like irritable bowel syndromes, because they tend to keep things a lot to themselves, and as a result, it comes out in other ways.